Just Google days of telling tales and biting a circle. But in my mind, I know they will still live on and on. But how do you think someone who has taken you from crayons to perfume? It isn't easy, but I'll try. If you wanted the sky, I will write across the sky in letters that will soar 1,000 feet high. To serve with love. That time has gone for closing books and loneless looks must end. And as I live, I know that I am leaving my best friend. A friend who taught me right from wrong and weak from strong. That's the last to learn. What can I give you in return? If you wanted the moon, I would try to make a star, but I would rather let me beat my heart to say